How to manage web links open on Skype mobile. Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to manage web links open on Skype mobile. Fast and easy. First thing we're gonna do is go to Skype and click on your profile here, this one, and then go down and you will find this one here, settings. Click on it and then click this one, messaging. And now all you need to do is just click here if you want to turn it off. And as you see, web links open in Skype, turn it off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And as you see, that's how manage web links open in Skype. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.